Norwood has the feeling of home, even though for a lot of people it's a second home.
45 minutes from Charlotte, or 45 minutes from Pinehurst, 2.5 hours from the Grand Strand, 2.5 hours from the mountains. I mean, this is centrally located to where you want to raise a family.
When we moved here, because it was such a small town, we weren't sure how we were going to get plugged into the community. I think like everybody who moves to a new place is worried about how they're going to connect with the people who are already there. And for us now, like a year later, we look back and we're like, why were we ever so worried about that? It was such a seamless transition to meet people who were so open to us as newcomers, and as people who hadn't lived here their whole life. We found a home here in the people, not just in the place, not just because it is a beautiful place, but because everyone that we've met has made it home for us.
Just due to the economic woes of the last 10, 15 years, businesses have come and gone.
Norwood is a wonderful place, and it always has been, but it does need some updating and some attention, I think, that would help revitalize the community and the sense of identity that the community sometimes struggles with.
We have 2 stoplights here in Norwood, and these buildings are beautiful. There's a lot of history in them, but as anything, age and time has taken its toll on it.
If I could say one thing to HGTV, you guys have the resources. You have everything at your tips to come bring this community alive. And when you come down here and you feel this heartbeat of this community and you meet these local people, you're not just going to be renovating a local building. You're going to breathe life support back into a small community that's a diamond in the rough that could be known for hundreds of years of the changes that started the day HGTV arrived with just one renovation that spurred the development to Lake Tillery, Piney Point Golf Course, and just beyond. I can't even imagine the things that we could do once we have that springboard to leap forward and get this thing in motion.
In Norwood, we believe that building with history establishes the future. Norwood has a stunning narrative, and we're committed to building upon that story to secure Norwood's future for generations to come.
HGTV, Norwood is that hidden gem in Stanley County. It is the small community right outside the county seat. We have a beautiful waterfront with Lake Tillery. We have beautiful farmland right on the outskirts of town. And it's just a beautiful place that not only do I call home, but I call the folks in the community here's family. And to see it come back alive again would be amazing, and just to bring some energy, so renewing back to the community would be awesome with your help.
We know most people who've lived here a long time, and we're enjoying meeting the newcomers, but it's nice to know the people and what their skills are, what they like to do, how they contribute to the community. It's a big family.
For us, when we came to Norwood, there's so many great businesses and people, but for us, being lovers of just like a coffee shop vibe, we thought, why don't we put a coffee shop here? And that really wouldn't have been possible without the people in Norwood to support us and walk us through that and introduce us to even more people who have helped sustain us in this last season.
They'll do anything for you. If somebody's hungry, they'll feed you. And they just, your neighbors and all are so good. You don't have to worry about if you're sick or something, they'll take care of it.
The first word that comes to mind is unique.
I guess the word would be vibrant.
As Billy Christian would say, it's fabulous.
No matter what our backgrounds or our opinions or our religious affiliations, you know, something bad happens, a guy you may have never talked to in your life is your friend. We support each other here in the end.